Bossing with the scarecrow in the field, no.
For this case, we see on the bottom we have the same color, and on the top we have the same color. So to do this algorithm, it looks like this. And fast, it looks like this. For this case, we have on the bottom the same color, and then on the top opposite colors, and it looks like this. And then fast, it looks like this. So this case, we see on the right that we have the same color, and on the left we have opposite colors, and the execution looks like this. And fast, it looks like this. In this case, we see that we have the same color on the right and the same color on the left. To execute this case, you hold it like this. Either way will work. And it's F, triple sexy move, F prime. And fast, it looks like this.